In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your tickets in HubSpot. Whether you're just getting started with HubSpot or looking to refine your current setup, this guide will walk you through customizing your ticket settings to best suit your needs. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure a smooth and simple setup. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot platform. Once there, log into your account. It's essential to have your credentials handy and ensure you're on the correct server, in this case, app NA2. If you're not quite familiar with navigating HubSpot yet, don't worry, I'll provide guidance at each stage to help you feel confident and supported. Once you're logged in, expect to find yourself on HubSpot's user guide page. This is your go-to resource for exploring the features and functionalities of HubSpot. However, today we're focusing specifically on ticket customization. Look around the page now, and you'll see various sections and menu items. What we're eyeing here is the settings icon. Generally, it's represented by a gear symbol, something you're likely familiar with from other applications. Click on the settings icon to proceed. You'll be directed to a new area of the platform that's dedicated to configuration options. This is where the real customization magic happens, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's available here. It's like the command center for all your HubSpot settings. Now, in the settings section, direct your attention to the sidebar. Here you'll find several categories of options, but for our purpose today, focus on the one labeled Tickets. Go ahead and click on it. This will steer you to the ticket customization page, which allows you to tailor how tickets are created and managed within your HubSpot account. Next, on the ticket customization page, there's an option labeled Creating Tickets. Click on this to delve into more specific settings regarding how tickets are generated. You can expect to find various options that will let you adjust ticket properties. These properties might include fields that need to be filled out when creating a ticket or determining which users can create tickets. The idea is to calibrate these settings to match the workflow and processes that suit your team best. Once you've reached this point, review the options available and adjust the settings according to your preferences. Remember, these settings are crucial for maintaining organized and efficient support and service workflows of Assad, so take your time to explore what each option offers. Make sure to save any changes you make to ensure they're applied effectively. And that wraps up our quick tour on customizing your tickets in HubSpot. This process should give you greater control over how tickets are managed and integrated into your broader customer service ecosystem. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.